Are there different types of employment contracts in the workplace? In recent days, there has been a growing conversation about employment contracts and their various forms. As workplaces evolve, understanding these contracts is more important than ever. Many people are asking, what types of employment contracts exist? This is especially relevant in today's job market, where flexibility and clarity are key. Yes, there are different types of employment contracts used in workplaces, each serving distinct purposes and legal frameworks within labor and employment law. First, we have fixed-term contracts. These contracts specify employment for a set duration or until a particular task or project is completed. They clearly state the start and end dates and are common when work is temporary or project-based. Fixed-term contracts can cover full-time or part-time roles. Next, we have non-fixed-term contracts, also known as permanent contracts. These contracts do not have a predetermined end date and establish an ongoing employment relationship. They provide more stability and often include comprehensive terms about job duties, compensation, working hours, leave policies, and notice periods for termination. Permanent contracts typically requiring written agreements and include protections such as severance pay and formal termination procedures. In some jurisdictions, job contracts refer to agreements tied to specific roles or tasks without a fixed term. These may be used when the nature of the work is continuous but not bound by a fixed period. Part-time and casual contracts involve fewer working hours than full-time. Often, these contracts do not requiring a written agreement if the work is casual or irregular. Casual contracts may be oral agreements and usually lack some benefits associated with full-time or fixed-term contracts. Another important aspect is collective agreements. These are negotiated between unions and employers or employer associations. They regulate working conditions, wages, and other employment terms across sectors or specific companies. Lastly, employment contracts may include additional clauses such as confidentiality agreements and non-compete clauses. These clauses restrict employees' actions during and after employment to protect business interests. Understanding these types of contracts helps both employers and employees clarify their rights and obligations in the workplace. As the job market continues to change, being informed about employment contracts is essential for everyone involved.